Hey guys, Steven here, Thor F30. Thank you guys for watching my previous video. On this video today, what I'm going to be doing is putting on my new PSM carbon fiber F30 spoiler here. I ordered it from Keys Motorsports, so big shout out to Keys Motorsports. The first one, it was the corner was not in good shape, so I sent it back and they were generous enough to send me a new replacement. So what's going to happen is we're going to be putting that spoiler there onto my F30 here, and right now it's like 9, almost 10 o'clock at night. It's beginning of the year, January 2019. Very cold, 50 degrees outside, so hopefully we can get this done before midnight. Okay, so wait and see. Okay. So it's the next day and we installed the PSM style spoiler on my F30. It took about an hour and a half to install it. All we had to do was put some 3N tape on it. Good thing you could put actually 2 strips of 3N tapes on it and it will not move anywhere. So that's the good thing about this PSM style spoiler for the F30. So what we have here is the carbon fiber. It's actually really nice, if you guys can see. I don't think that there's any major blemishes on the carbon fiber. Looks like they did a pretty good job. So again, thanks again for Brian and their team at keysmotorsports.com. Super bright out here, so I'll give you guys some more photos and some more shots of this. So what is next for the F30? I'm thinking about getting all carbon fiber add-ons, so that it means that I'm going to be getting the diffuser for the rear, the side skirts, and the front lip. The front lip is possibly going to be the 3D style. If not, I might go with the M Sport style. So let me know what you guys' opinion is for my setup. And if you haven't, please like the video, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Steven, and you're watching Thor F30.